You're watching episode 3 of the MTS Industry Show at Leader Automation. And today we have a very special technology that we want to share with you. And I'm saying we because next to me you can see Leader Automation's international sales rep, Sandy Zhang. Sandy,
Hello.
You're back.
Yes, I'm so excited about
Today's show because
Yes.
we have something very special. If we take a look here, we've got these beautiful jelly flower arts.
Yes.
They really do look beautiful, different designs. So I'm wondering, there must be a very experienced artist, a master that created these.
Yes, let me introduce to you Master Jelly.
Master Jelly, ni hao. All right, so Sandy, this is a jelly flower art robot, right?
Yes, as you can see, these are beautiful and eye-catching.
Yep.
And I think it's a good idea for a gift, don't you think?
I totally agree. So you're gonna give me a few after the show?
Yes,
Okay.
of course.
All right, so Master Jelly. Now, Master Jelly has a very crucial component, and of course, that's the robotic arm that it uses, or he uses, or she uses, I don't even know what gender it is, to carve these beautiful creations. So why don't we take a closer look?
Okay, let's go.
So what can you tell us about the robotic arm?
Our robot simulates the skillful hands of artists and showing the movement softly and delicately. In addition, the cost of ingredient is low, but 3D jelly flower is the high value added product. The machine's cost is easy to cover.
Okay, Sandy, so what you're saying is that because the 3D flower art jelly is a value-added product,
Yes.
so it should be fairly easy for investors to make a return on their investment.
Yes.
Okay, and I know that you also have 2 potential business plans that you want to share with us.
Yes, one for individual customers and another is for events such as banquets or weddings. Let me tell you, the first one is selling for general customers. If we assume 60 jelly could be sold per day, and it's about 22,000 jellies a year. If we assume the profit is about $2, so the annual profit is about 44,000 US. However, our standard version 3D jelly flower robot is about 29,000 US. So you could earn your money back in only 8 months.
Just 8 months?
Yes.
That doesn't sound too bad. Now, what about the second business plan for events?
Well, selling at the events, we assume there will be 8 banquets or weddings in 1 month and 500 jellies could be sold per time. However, the profit is about 60,000 US in 1 year. So you can earn your money back in only 6 months.
Even better, just 6 months.
Yes.
Excellent. Now, Sandy, I have a question, and I'm sure some people might have the same question in their mind right now. Now, this machine, this 3D jelly flower art robot, is a very special machine. So people might be thinking, I don't know anything about jelly, I don't know anything about flower art. So how do I operate the machine? So can you dispel these concerns?
Sure, we will teach our customers how to use the machine and provide a recipe for them. It could save lots of time for opening a new store. We introduce the automation functions into the machine, so our jelly robot is very easy to use.
Okay, so no need to worry about not being able to set it up. Leader Automation will support the customer, the new customer, teach them how to set it up, how to operate it.
Yes, don't worry about it.
Okay. And they also don't need to worry about potential competitors stealing this idea, because you do have patents and you also already have awards for this design, right?
Yes, we got several invention patents for jelly robots and also passed CE and Taiwan TARS certification and won the Taiwan SMES Innovation Awards. We can ensure the quality.
Okay, great, Sandy. Now I think it's time that we get to know Master Jelly a little bit better and talk about some of the amazing features of this robot. And let us start with the design of the flower art.
Of course.
So over there I saw different types, different styles. So maybe you can talk about The standard machine, how many styles does it have?
Sure, they have 3 basic flower types such as camellia, rose, and lotus, and our standard recipe has 6 types of color matching. If our customers want to create their own flower type or color, you would change the parameter. The cutter could be changed depending on different flower type, and the container should use 3-inch for making a jelly flower.
Okay, so Sandy, you just talked about the cups and also the cutting tool. Now I'm curious because this here almost looks like a mini rotary table or indexing table. So how exactly does the carving work? How does Master Jelly create those shapes?
We use the rotating platform to sculpt the jelly and make the jelly flower more wonderful.
Okay.
Because of 360 degrees of rotating, so there won't be any dead space.
Okay, so
Yes.
the moving part is the platform, the rotating platform, and not the tool.
Yes.
All right, Sandy, and another very important component that we want to talk about is the injection system, because you not only need the cutting tool to create those shapes, you also need the ingredients, the food coloring, to create the petals. Now, maybe you can talk a bit about the injection system and also what kind of food coloring we can use.
Yes, our injection system has a adjustable injection gun and precision pressure regulation system, and also we have a cleaning function. And you say about the material,
Right.
we can use natural ingredients such as dragon fruit.
Okay.
And for the standard system, the storage can use 2 liters
2 liter storage for the
containers.
Okay,
Yes.
for the ingredients.
Yes.
Now, Sandy, maybe you can also tell us a little bit more about the carving process. How exactly does Master Jelly create these beautiful jelly flower arts?
Okay, the process is very easy and only 3 to 4 steps to finish the jelly flower. And the production time is less than 3 minutes.
Okay, 3 minutes only per flower.
Yes.
Okay.
And do you see our interface?
Okay. Let me pick it up. All right.
The interface is very easy to use. You can change the flower type, the petal number, the layer numbers. Also, you can change the inclination angles.
Okay, so I've got control over all important parameters
Yes.
and user-friendly controls.
Yes.
Excellent. So Sandy, next up, let us also talk about some general dimensions of the robot, the whole machine, and also about the power supply specifications.
Sure, the machine has a solid wheel shelf. It can move anytime to change the location. And the size is 80 by 80 by 170 centimeter, and the weight is 200 kilograms.
Okay.
The voltage used by this machine is 3-phase, 220 volts. Current is 30 amps, and the frequency is 50 or 60 hertz. And it also needs the air for making the jelly flower.
All right, Sandy, and this was our final topic of today's introduction of the Master Jelly, the automatic jelly flower art robot made by Leader Automation.
Yes?
But before we conclude today's show, Sandy, maybe you can summarize one more time for potential buyers out there why the Master Jelly robot is a great choice.
Yes, firstly, our jelly robot is a good investment because it can create value-added food products with a great margin. Secondly, this is one of the most unique food robots in the world, and we have invention patents, and there is no similar products in the market. Finally, this is a brand new technology, but we have been selling for several years. So we have know-how and experience in regards to this type of value-added food robot.
Okay, excellent. So it's not just an investment in an innovative technology, this jelly robot, but you're also kind of investing into the partnership with Leader Automation, your experience when it comes to automation solutions, technology, and also after-sales services and so on, right?
Yes, we developed the automation solutions for over 30 years and expand from the machine tool industry to all kinds of applications. Also, most components of our machine are made by ourselves, and we can provide after-sales service, including machine setup, training, and if necessary, troubleshooting.
All right, so a true partnership with a comprehensive after-sales support.
Yes.
All right, Sandy, for the third time, thank you very much for introducing one of your automation solutions today, the Master Jelly automatic jelly flower art robot.
No problem, we are happy to help you, and thanks for coming today.
Absolutely, and I'm sure in the future we'll have new opportunities to introduce new innovations because you are always developing new automation solutions.
Yes, see you soon.
All right, and that was it. That was the MTS Industry Show at Leader Automation Part 3. If you want to learn more about Master Jelly or any other machine by Leader Automation, you can just contact them. And Sandy and I will be trying some of the jelly flour now.
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. And we see you in the next one. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.